To start this process, you're going to want to look up Adobe Reader. From there, click on the first link that you see. Scroll down and uncheck the two boxes above Download Adobe Reader. An install should start that you need to save. Once the download saves, double-click it to open it. An install box will appear asking if you want to install the program, and you need to click Yes. Once that's finished installing, you can double-click Adobe Acrobat on your desktop. From here, click Open File on the main page. Select the blueprint you want to open by double-clicking it or clicking Open in the bottom right corner. From here, make sure you're in the All Tools section in the top left of your screen. Under this tab, scroll down and click View More until you find the Measure Objects tool. Click this button and then go up to the Measuring tool at the very top. From here, right-click on your blueprint and go down to the Preferences tab. A pop-up box will open, and from here you need to look at the left side of your screen and make sure you're in the Measure 2D tab. From here, go to the top of this box and make sure that Use Scale and Units from Document is checked off and Use Orthographic Lines is checked on. Click OK when this is finished. From here, you'll want to locate the scale of these blueprints. Here you can see we have a 1/4 inch equals 1 foot scale. After finding this scale, make sure you're in the Measuring Tool option on the left and right-click the center of your blueprints again. From here, click the Change Scale Ratio and Precision option. This will pop up a box that allows you to set the scale of your document. You can also set the precision of your measurements here. To test the Measuring Tool, go to Measuring Tool on the left side of your screen and select two lines of a dimension that you should know. Here I selected two lines that are showing 4.5 inches apart, click the two lines that they're connected, and it is matching up. Something you may notice is that your measuring tool can only go up, down, left, or right. If you want to change this, you can go into your measuring tool on the left side of your screen and right-click your blueprints. From here, click Turn Ortho Off. Now if you try to measure, you'll notice that you can move in any direction. If you click 2 points, in the bottom right corner you'll notice a little box. This will give you the distance, angle, scale ratio, and precision. It also gives you delta x and delta y distances. Delta x is how far your line is going left to right, and delta y is how far your line is going up and down. Note that when you exit the measuring tool, you will no longer be able to see these options.